Eventually. Okay.
This is my SC Wildman Pro update. It's updated fairly well. I'm going to start with the back rear. It's got the stolen semi-sealed revolver cassette rear wheel. Stole Tioga 125 psi tire. It's got SC Wildman Pro frame still. SC Wildman Pro stock cranks. So I had to put those back on. I got the SC sprocket. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in purple. I got the Shadow Conspiracy Summer 2 seat in black and purple. Then I also got the just a regular pivotal post, integrated C clamp. Right now to the front end, I have the stolen revolver wheel 3/8 sealed. Then I have just a regular front tire, pretty fat. Then I have brand new with the people Everlast Fortune just bought. Just a stock headset, Shadow Strike stem, Odyssey and all space bars like last time, failure dumbbell grips, and fly buns. And the last thing I forgot was the Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. Oh, the cool thing is I got pegs, DK.
Just the cool kind of pegs.
Yeah, just
the cool.